Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your hotel reservation on Booking.com, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper cancellation and potential refund eligibility. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Booking.com website. Click Sign in the top right corner and log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Once logged in, click on your profile icon and select Bookings from the drop-down menu to view all your current and past reservations. Step 3. Locate the reservation you want to cancel from your list of bookings. Click on it to view the full reservation details. Step 4. Review the cancellation policy carefully before proceeding. Check if your reservation is refundable, partially refundable, or non-refundable, and note any applicable deadlines or fees. Step 5. Click the Cancel Booking button, which is usually located at the bottom of the reservation details page. Step 6. Booking.com will ask you to confirm your cancellation and may request a reason. Select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu or skip if optional. Step 7. Review the cancellation summary, including any applicable charges or refund amounts. Then click Confirm Cancellation to finalize the process. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Booking.com. Save this email as proof of cancellation for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.